All right, guys, I got my package, 13 pounds, 8 ounces. This is a big old poly bag. And on eBay, we got the dimensions right there, 31.98. Let's see if we go with FedEx. See what it says. FedEx or UPS. FedEx is still 26. So I go over to Pirate Ship. 1072. That's because we used polybag and it goes cubic. So in Pirate Ship, hold on. There's that poly bag right there. 17 by 12, 13 pounds, 8 ounces. You go to get rates. And we just, so you don't see the name. 1072. Bam, $20 savings. That's how you do it. So my name's Daniel, the Selling Sniper. Like, comment, share this video. Leave a comment, I'll get back to you. And if you like content like this, hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.